This video is an overview of how to replace a wood double-hung window using an Andersen 100 series single-hung insert window. 100 series insert windows are a great option when replacing wood windows where the frame is in good condition, free from damage or rot. The following installation of a 100 series single-hung insert window is for demonstration purposes only and does not include all necessary installation steps. For this video, we have already removed the old wood window and prepped the opening for installation of the new 100 series insert window. To find the size of the unit that you will need to order for installation, measure your existing window frame. You'll need to collect measurements for the width and height. Measure the width at the top, center, and bottom of the window frame. Then, use the smallest measurement rounded down to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. For the height, measure at the uppermost part of the sill at the left, center, and right. Then, use the smallest measurement rounded down to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. Check that the sill is level. If not, place shims on the bottom of the opening under the side jamb locations to level the window in the opening. Now, let's begin the installation demo showing an installation from the exterior of the home. Support the insert window in place using a screw at the top of the rough opening until the window is securely fastened. Clean the opening and window frame to remove any debris and dry fit the new window into the window frame, pressing it against the stool and interior stops. Now that you have made sure the window fits the opening, remove the window and prepare for installation. Apply a 3/8 inch continuous bead of sealant around the outside edge of the interior stops at the top and sides. Now, apply a continuous bead of sealant across the entire width of the sill. Lift the new window into the center of the opening and press it against the stool and interior stops. Next, fasten the bottom of both side jambs with the supplied installation screws through the pre-drilled holes, but do not fully tighten. Fasten the top of both side jambs using the supplied installation screws through the pre-drilled holes, but do not over-tighten. Now, check that the window is square. Measurements must be within 1/8 of an inch. If the window is not square, shim accordingly until square. Recess shims 3/8 from the exterior frame edge. Failure to do so could result in poor product performance or property damage. Fasten the center of both side jambs using the supplied installation screws through the pre-drilled holes, but do not fully tighten. Shim directly behind the center screws, as shown. Adjust shims to straighten jambs if necessary. Check to make sure the window frame is not bowed by placing a level on both sides of the frame. Tighten screws when jambs are straight, and then remove the support screw. Using low expanding foam or baccarat and sealant, seal around the exterior at the top and sides. Be careful not to overfill to avoid bowed jambs. If you are installing a 100 series insert window into an opening with a sloped sill, you will need to install the optional exterior sill extender. First, measure the sill angle height. Then add 1/4 inch to the measurement and cut the exterior sill extender trim piece. Next, notch 3/16 inch weep holes 3 inches from each end and insert the extender into the sill kerf of the window and secure in place using a wooden block and rubber mallet. To complete your installation, you can use sealant, frame extenders, or wrap with color-matched coil stock for a clean and finished appearance. Your installation is now complete.